This is a loon named Sue. Well, father left him when I was 3. He didn't leave oor muckle to mother and me, just a silk guitar and an empty bottle of booze. Well, I dinna blame him, 'cause he run and hid, but the meanest thing that he ever did was afore he left, he went and named me Sue. Well, he must have thought that it was quite a joke, and I'd got a buckle loss with fair buckle folk. It seemed I had to fecht my whole life through. Some quine had spear and I'd get read, and some loon had laugh, so I'd burst his heed. I'll tell you, life's nae easy for a loon named Sue. But I grew up quick and I grew up mean, and my fists get hard and my wits get keen, and I ging fae tune to hide my shame. And I made me a vow to the moon and the stars, I'd search the honky tonks and bars and kill that money that gave me that off a name. Well, it was Inverurie in mid-July, and I just hit tune and my thrapple was dry, and I thought I'd stop and hae mysel a brew. And an old saloon in the street of Dobbs, here at the table, dealing studs, sat the fool old mingin' dog had named me Sue. Well, I kent that money was my old sweet fither for the one who picked up that gun for mither, and I kent that scar on his chick and his evil lean. He was muckle and bent and grey and all, and I looked at him and my bleeding call, and I said, my name is Sue. Who did you dee? Knew you're going to dee. So I hit him hard right atween the een, and he went down, but to my surprise he came up with a knife and he lopped off a bit of my log. So I blew at a chair right across his teeth, and we crashed through the wa and into the street, kicking and a gouging and a bleed and a beer and the dogs. Well, I kent that I fought chucher monies, but I really canna mind fun. He kicked like a mule and he bit like a crocodile. And I heard him laugh and I heard him curse, and he reached for his gun, but I pulled mine first, and he stood there looking at me, and I saw him smile. He said, Loon, that's what this rock, and if a man is gonna make it, he's gotta be chuch, and I kent I would be there to help you along. So I gied you that name and I said goodbye, and I kent you'd hate to get chucher dee, and it's that name it's helped you make you strong. He said, now you just fought a hell of a fecht, and I ken you hate man, you've got the right to kill my new, and I wouldn't blame you if you dee. But you ought to thank me afore I dee for a grift in your way and a spit in your aim, 'cause I'm the son of a who that named you Sue. Fit good a dee, I got the hard choke it up and I threw a gun down, and I cried him fither and he cried Miss Loon, and we come awa with a different point of view. And I think about him first every time I try and every time I win, and if I ever hear Loon I think I'm going to call him. Well, or do the only damn name but Sue. I still hate that name.